Have you ever dreamt of escaping Earth's gravity and witnessing the breathtaking view of our planet from space? Until recently, space travel was reserved for astronauts and billionaires. But with the emergence of private space companies like SpaceX, Virgin Galactic, and the Blue Origin, space tourism is suddenly a hot topic. But is it really about to become a reality for everyone? Let's answer that question in this video. Hello and welcome to my channel Beyond Earth, your portal to the cosmos.
Richard actually announced that he was creating Virgin Galactic, and it was going to be a space line for everyone and make space accessible for everyone.
Teresa says we want to make space available to all.
Because we have to have space vehicles that are as operable as commercial airliners.
Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic and Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin are offering trips to outer space. But only other billionaires, or perhaps millionaires, need apply. Right now, a trip to space can cost anywhere from $200,000 to $28 million. That's enough to buy a house, several houses, or even a small island. If you're a space enthusiast without 6 figures of disposable income to spend on a trip to go where few tourists have gone before, you'll have to wait. Space flights that cost only 4 figures, or even in the low 5 figures, are not going to be available anytime soon. I know that is not the answer you were looking for. However, keep watching as the space tourism has another application, which is an unexpected outcome. Launching a rocket into space is incredibly expensive. Fuel, engineering, maintenance, everything adds up. Then there's the limited number of qualified launch vehicles and spaceships, which drives the price even higher. Training astronauts takes years and specialized skills. Tourists require intensive preparation in a short time, further inflating the cost. One of the biggest challenges is the difficulty of getting enough would-be amateur astronauts into space at one time to spread out the costs to make space travel affordable. If the price has to go down from current $200,000 to 4 digits, we will need more people to travel in a single flight. However, that brings in another challenge, which is weight. More people means more weight, which would require tremendous amounts of fuel and energy to lift every pound. The technology just doesn't exist today. Like all problems, we just have to look into the past. Similar problem has existed before. Air travel, before it became mainstream, was only for people with deep pockets. Initial aircraft only had capability to carry a few people in the air for a few minutes. However, with technological advancements, we were able to democratize it and make it available for more people, reducing the price in the process. Right now, the types of technological advances which are needed is not available. However, technology always advances exponentially, so it won't be long before we are on the cusp of a giant breakthrough. Technological advancements is one of the solution, but we also need more people to spend money. However, not many people would be interested in spending a lot of money just to go into a suborbital flight and come back. That is why companies are exploring possible point-to-point space flights across the globe. Currently, a flight between New York to Tokyo takes between 14–15 hours. However, with space flights, the time taken would come down to 2 hours. It's a market that in 2019 UBS estimated was worth $20 billion annually. Now, this might happen in your lifetime, but your kids would definitely be able to see this come true.
These issues, but we should also create new industries that can create, 800 engineers and scientists who can create wonderful things that can make space accessible at a fraction of the environmental cost that it's been in the past.
Then the next generation of kids can build truly great things in space, move all heavy industry and polluting industry off Earth, and protect this gem of a planet.
Space tourism isn't just about individual experiences. It also has the potential to revolutionize several industries. Space research. Increased access to space could lead to breakthroughs in medicine, materials science, and astronomy. Education and inspiration. Imagine the impact of seeing Earth from space firsthand. It could inspire future generations to pursue careers in STEM fields. Global collaboration. Working together to develop space travel technology could foster international cooperation and understanding. While orbital flights and point-to-point travel are impressive steps, space tourism could blossom into journeys beyond our planet. Imagine gazing at the rings of Saturn up close, exploring the canyons of Mars, or even dipping your toes in the methane lakes of Titan. The technology developed for space tourism could lay the groundwork for future interplanetary travel, turning science fiction into reality and opening up our entire solar system to exploration and discovery. What are your thoughts on space tourism? Would you ever blast off into space? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting space content.